So section 11 prescribes how to distribute the property among class 2 heirs. If you take any particular entry out of 9 entries in class 2 heirs, that members which belongs to that particular entry will share the property equally. Let's say, for example, in class 2 heirs, as we are seeing in this picture, 9 entries are there. A Hindu male dies and he is survived by the members in the 4th entry. That is brother's son, brother's daughter, sister's son, sister's daughter. So all these people coming under 4th entry. So they will share the property equally. That's what section 11 prescribes. Section 12 deals with the rules of priority among the agnates and cognates and the order of their succession. So among the agnates and cognates, who are and all will be coming under descendants will be given the highest preference. So among the descendants, the fewer degrees of descendants will be given the highest preference. Similarly, ascendants will be given preference to collaterals. So similarly, the fewer degrees of ascendants will be taken into consideration. So if both descendants and ascendants are not there, collaterals will be coming into picture. So if all the 3 categories are not there, then whoever claims, they can take the property simultaneously. In one of the case laws, Rajappa versus Gangappa, the Hindu male is survived by his mother's brother's son and his mother's sister's son. So if you see in this picture, S1 and S2 have the same degrees of ascent and same degree of descent. So the court held that they will get the equal share. So here the decision was taken in 1923. Even under this act, that is 1956, the rule applies the same. So in this problems, we will see who will be the preferential heir. The first problem, daughter's son and mother's brother. So as you see in the class 2 heir chart, out of 9 entries, daughter's son is coming in 3rd entry and mother's brother is coming under 9th entry. So 3rd entry will be given the preference. So daughter's son is the answer. So the second one is brother's daughter and father's sister's son. So in class 2 higher, brother's daughter will come under entry number 4, but father's sister's son will is not recognized in class 2 heir. So brother's daughter is the answer. Third one is paternal uncle's son and maternal uncle's daughter. So here all the ascendants and the descendants all will be in the same degrees, but paternal uncle's son will be given the highest preference because paternal uncle's son is through male line and maternal uncle's daughter is through female line, through mother. This paternal uncle's son is through father. So agnate will be given high preference. So paternal uncle's son will take the property.